Okay, how's it going, guys? Today, we're going to be building the K-Swarm Strike Drone. And if you saw last video, we built the K-Crawler Sus Drone. I'm gonna call it the Sus Mech. It's a drone that can't fly. Don't leave the video yet. It only gets funnier from here. Baby dogs. But anyway, we have these. We have all this. You have to grab this piece and put it in here. I have really big news, guys. Are you ready to have your minds absolutely blown? This is literally the biggest news for Snapships ever. Remember the hat, the Snapships hat I've always wanted? There's a 5% chance Play Monster's sending me a Snapships hat. And you know me, I love wearing hats. Oh wait, did I put those on wrong? Help. This is the ship that we're dealing with. Do it for the gram. What? Oh, look at it! It's so shiny. There it is. We have finished the K-Swarm Strike Drone. This thing is absolutely insane. I have to do this. I'm gonna call you Jeff. No.
Commissioner, do we have landing privileges?
Oh my God, Jerry, not again! Goodbye. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that, and Terrence won't come find you. Question is, can you build to battle?
Snapships, build to battle.